Today, with cryptography everywhere, the overall security of our systems should be better than ever. But is it? Sometimes it feels like it is often not the case. To increase data security, cryptography has to be usable, and I mean easily usable. You can find examples of state-of-art cryptography in really clunky packaging, like smart cards with their readers. Not to mention that with many models, you still have to rely on a computer to handle PIN entry. If modern cryptography can give you donuts, why not in a slim package that you can carry anywhere? Wouldn't it be nice to have some modern cryptographic token in your pocket, which you could use for protecting your bank account, signing your email, or encrypting your entire computer so that nobody can access your data, even if they physically steal the device? And it's not just about the size. The mechanical and visual design can vastly improve the user experience as well. Walking through the gallery of our early 3D designs gives you an insight into our creative process. Jumping from very conservative ideas resembling pocket calculator to objects from a science fiction movie, we couldn't settle on one final shape. But we knew what we wanted from the design. Firstly, a futuristic look. Secondly, the interface should clearly convey status information, and everyone should be able to just pick it up and start using it. And thirdly, pack the shrinked keyboard in a compact design that people are used to carry everywhere. By the time of settling on these basic design parameters, we also had the first PCB revision solder, and therefore we needed some box to put it in. We opted for a simple jigsaw box with hollow body and two covers. One for the display part of Cryptoucan and one for the keyboard. As you can see, it works really well, although it is not a jewelry yet. Knowing everything works as expected, we started creating the final 3D design. Once again we used 3D printing for prototyping, and soon we had it in a good shape. In parallel, the PCB was rerouted into a more futuristic look as well, and we had to prepare a tester for the new layout. This time we didn't use a folding approach, but we glued the components together to form a solid body of the device. We were able to test how the device performs, and we checked for possible bugs in the design. As it worked really well, we could shift our focus to the final manufacturing stage. Physical protection of the secret keys is one of our main goals. To achieve it, we designed a form for casting the PCB into an epoxy of our choice. Creating the form and testing various epoxides was a time-consuming process, yet even the early outcomes looked very promising. It took a while to perfect the casting procedure. However, the result is definitely worth it. The epoxy has hardened, the LEDs are shining and flashing in the dark, and Cryptoucan is ready to knock and protect your private keys. It's a completely new experience to have a cryptographic token that feels like a stone in your hand. And you can bet, Cryptoucan is as hard as a stone, and it protects the secret data like a stone wall protects a castle. Thank you for watching, and if you subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter, you'll never miss the latest Cryptoucan news.